The reason many victims wait to come forward and talk about their sexual abuse, it's very complicated. What we have to understand is that 90% of all kids who are molested are molested by somebody they know, somebody they trust, somebody who's in their lives, and somebody their family probably trusts. And so what is usually happened in that situation is that the child's been groomed. Grooming is a process by which a child's given special attention, made to feel comfortable, and it's a process where they slowly gain the trust of the predator. So by the time the sex starts, the child is often what we call compliant. Now, they're not consenting. They can't consent. They're kids. But they're compliant, meaning they're physically participating in the sex. And so for the child victim, they feel like now they've done something wrong. They feel guilty. They feel ashamed. You know, kids don't come home and tell their parents when they have typical sex that they had sex. So when it's an adult in their life and they're ashamed of it, they're certainly not going to talk about it, and they may not even realize they've been victimized because they're compliant. And it sometimes takes years and decades for the victim to realize that they were victimized and they have damages from that. Oftentimes it takes a victim, going through some of the problems that you see from being victimized in life. Having dysfunctional relationships, maybe drug or alcohol problems, sleep disturbances, acting out, having sexual dysfunctional issues, all sorts of things that, isolated, they may not realize it, but when they sit back as an adult and look back on their life and reflect, they realize, aha, maybe this is why I'm having these problems.